Now children, let's discuss SGP1, see the video and the picture of mongoose. How cute they are looking. You see the mongoose here in this picture. Look carefully and observe the mongoose. Clear your doubt. If you haven't seen, then you see the mongoose, its face, how they are looking, and they like to hunt together. The mongoose like to hunt together. Together we have already discussed in our words and meanings. Now you can see and realize the meaning of together. And they always also keep a lookout of the dangerous hunting animals looking by. How the mongoose is looking out the dangerous animals nearby. Nearby means near. While poking their nose into holes, poking means something in a particular direction. And here there is a snake. In your book there is also a picture of a mongoose and a snake. Look the snake, how the snake is looking dangerous. Both are enemies to each other, mongoose and a snake. Another snake is there. See the video. The snake, cobra, is here. Look carefully and enjoy the picture. Mongoose and a snake. Another snake, you see, this is the picture of another snake. To understand easily, I have showed you so many pictures of snakes and so many pictures of mongoose, and it is very real to you to understand. Here another snake is there. You look at the snakes and its tongue. You look the snake again. To look the snakes very near, it is very difficult. So see the picture and see the snake. How the mongoose now like to hunt together. They always like to hunt together. How they are ready to hunt. The mongoose are living together, travel together, and also like to hunt together. Next see the mongoose while poking their nose into holes, overturning rocks with their paws and scratching the ground. They poke their nose into holes, and at that time they also look very amusing. Always keep eye on dangerous animals from their holes or hollow of a lock. ଯେତେବେଳେ ନେଉଳ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ବାସସ୍ଥାନରୁ ବାହାରକୁ ସେମାନେ ଦେଖନ୍ତି, ୱାଚ୍ କରନ୍ତି ବା ଦେଖନ୍ତି କାଳେ କିଛି ଡେଞ୍ଜରସ୍ ଆନିମଲ୍ ବା ତାଙ୍କର ଶତ୍ରୁ ବାହାରେ ଅଛି କି ବା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆକ୍ରମଣ କରିବାକୁ ଉଦ୍ୟତ କି. So while poking their nose, they look very amusing, and they also scratch the ground with their sharp claws. How they are scratching with their paws. With its paws, how the mongoose is scratching. The meaning of scratch is also here. The mongoose is scratching, and a common sight in many parts of Africa. They also like to travel together, travel in groups, and of about 20 they travel in groups, and they scratch the ground with their sharp claws. Now they are scratching the rocks, and in the previous picture we have already saw how they are scratching the ground. and while scratching the ground, while poking their nose, monkeys look very amusing. बहुत सुंदर देखा जाती से माने amusing. देख ये मंगीज केमती भाव में सुंदर देखा जाउची एवं जेतल से स्क्रैच करची ग्राउंड को बा रांपुची रांपिबा बा बिदारिबा से समय से माने बहुत सुंदर देखा जाती. एंड दे ट्रैवल इन ग्रुप्स. सी हाउ द मंगीज आर इन ग्रुप्स टुगेदर and they like live together and travel in groups. It is their nature. They always like to travel in groups. Next, see about 20 and above monkeys are living together. They like to live together. They like to travel together. It is the nature of the monkeys. It is their unity. ସେଇଟା ହେଉଛି ତାଙ୍କର ଏକତା. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ ଟ୍ରାଭେଲ କରନ୍ତି କୌଣସି ଜାଗାକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଏକାଠି ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଶିକାର ମଧ୍ୟ ଏକାଠି କରନ୍ତି. See this picture. The monkeys is twittering and calling. The sound of the monkeys is known as twittering, and by the twittering sound the monkeys is calling another monkeys. गोटे नेउल अन्य नेउल को आम जमती डाकू बा कथा कहू सेमती सेमानकर साउंड को ट्विटरिंग कहा जाए. एठी देख आउ जड़े मंगीज बा आउ गोटे मंगीज तार मध्य ट्विटरिंग एंड कॉलिंग. द मंगीज इज ऑल्सो ट्विटरिंग एंड कॉलिंग एंड अलार्मिंग अनदर मंगीज if they are in danger. They are always travel in groups, and as a symbol they are twittering and calling to another. And they have also enemies. They also have enemies. Always on lookout for danger. These dangerous birds are hawks. See the picture of hawk. It is a dangerous bird and enemy of monkeys. Hawk also haunts monkeys. Then eagle. There is no word eagle in your book, but eagle is also eagle is also a bird, dangerous bird which like to hunt monkeys, and they warn one another with a special alarming call. While the hawks and the eagles are also ready to capture them, then they warn others through a special alarming call. If they spot anything danger, if there is any danger, if they hope of any danger, then also they are twittering and calling, warning others through a special alarming call. If anything